Alright guys, about 11:15 now. We had a good time at the Ace of Spades rally this morning. Now we're heading on our way up to Pefferlaw, Ontario. And there's a bit of a show and shine going on up there at Strictly V-Twin. So we're going to make the ride up there. It's about a 45-minute ride. It's hot out today. It's probably about 90, 95 with the humidity. So hopefully we'll be able to make it. If not, we'll just turn around and come back and we'll call it a day. But we'll go up there and check things out. Alright, Saturday afternoon, and I put about 100k on the bike. Seems to be running pretty well. Just passed 15,000 kilometers. Bought the bike with I think about 13.4 on it, so I'm putting a few kilometers on it at least. Anyway, it was a nice drive. It was warm. Not bad when you're moving, but anyway, happy to be home, and we'll get inside, get some water, and get some air conditioning going. Hey, good morning guys. Tush coming at you. Sunday, July the 7th. Just about 6:15 a.m. Sun's coming up. Going to be a nice day today. Going to be a little cooler. We've got the TR6 home. We exchanged out the TR3 last week. We've yet to give the TR6 a bath. We are going to a car show this morning, so we're going to do that. We're going to wake the neighbors up, get this out in the driveway. We're going to Tottenham, Ontario for the Tottenham Classic Car and Truck Show this morning. We're going to leave around 9 a.m. so we've got a little bit of time to get the car spiffed up. It hasn't been cleaned since I took it out of storage, so it needs a bit of a bath. So that's what we're going to do. We'll see you in Tottenham. Alright, I think she's pretty much ready to go. I did not break out the hose. Figure I'll just give it a quick detail when I get to the park. It's actually a conservation area. I think there's a dirt road going into it, so it's probably going to get a little dusty anyway. So we just detailed it a little bit. Still looks pretty good after, I think this is probably his 12th year after restoration, so still in pretty good shape. It's taken me a lot of places, this car. The trunk packed, got a little bit of room left for the electronics. Yeah, still looks to be in pretty good shape. Alright, we'll see you in Tottenham. Yeah, we're checking on Les this morning. Just about 8:30 or so. Leaving at 9, so I thought I'd better make sure he's up and about. According to his neighbor, he was out here with the power washer Sunday morning at about 7:30 with the power washer cranked up, so neighbors gotta love him. Yeah, the car's looking good. Fresh from the Capri swarm down in the US. Anyway, we'll have a nice little drive this morning. It's a beautiful morning so far. Should be a good day. Les's neighbor's got a Duster. I think it's about a 73 or 74. Who knows, maybe he's going to the same show we are. Nice little car, only 318. Sounds pretty good though. Maybe we'll see him up at the show. Alright, made it to Tottenham. A bit of a beach. Nice breeze, water. And we're just going to go for a bit of a walk.
No, the last time was over.
No, I think somebody's not. I don't think there's anything back up this way.
I knew it was dirt, Yeah, we got now.
Yeah, because I was thinking, I hope it's this one, because there used to be a sign up.
Yeah, still working on the
I went pretty bad with that RM deal, which was pretty cool.
That was a long drive, 2.5 days an hour one way. On the 401.
I know.
It's a lot of money, but
Yeah, I know for a fact right 40 grand. But I did it myself. I got new fender, new doors. Some of them
I have one in Hamilton, I believe, or Bradford. I think we're close.
Okay, I'm just kind of right now just looking for the parking downstairs. Okay, stop.
Walk down the Indians Road.
I'm gonna go down and pick up.
That's going to be fun.
Good to see you. Yeah. So I'm watching, I was talking to these guys upstairs, yeah. Then when they kind of stopped the conversation, and we did, I said, is there a friend guy around here somewhere?
That's funny.
Yeah. Good story. His wax smells like something.
You got any other toys, or is this it?
I sold the other one to the builders. I had another 40 Dodge pickup and a 1946 Ford vintage NASCAR race car.
You don't even good looking.
You know, you used to be able to play all night. Hey, you know what I'm saying?
Maybe what?
With intentions of redoing it. Yeah.